just arrived in Hanoi. That's the airport. That's the new people. They're gonna board our plane. Arrival transfer. It's been a long time since I came here. Long time. Alright. We are officially in Vietnam. Look how many people here. Waiting for me. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
So, first things, we got to withdraw money down there. We got to withdraw some money down there. I just saw an ATM. First money, and then we got to get a SIM card. Oh, SIM card there. Oh, that's good. Look at me. Look. First, we go to get some money.
You can buy by credit card, no fee.
I still need to have some cash. Alright. Let's go to take some cash. We got cash. We got cash. This is 500,000. There's a lot of zero here. A lot of zero here. 500,000. Oh, look at this guy. 500,000. And then we have 200,000. Same guy. And this 100,000. So this is worth. Let me check on the application. So we go here. Vietnamese, let's say 200,000. No, this is 2 million. Let's check here. 200,000 is €7.66. All the rest is here. Euro, pounds, Thai. So €1 is like 26,000 dong is €1. All the more, everyone that is withdraw money. Now we're going to check for the SIM card. Let's go to see. Let's go to see for the SIM card. So we wanna do a SIM card.
Yeah, Vietnam.
Yeah, we can do it.
Okay. Vietnam.
So I do.
Debbie.
Okay, she's doing a
Lấy
rush.
một cái sim card nó sao phải đeo là phe của mình.
The SIM card is done. We have the cash, and now we're gonna look for a Grab, a taxi. Oh, wow, the airport is very white. The airport is white. There's a lot of taxi driver here waiting already. There's a security guard there with a microphone to direct the traffic. So let's go to find our cab, and then let's see, it's already late. Okay, we are in our taxi. Sorry. Opla.
Okay.
It should take 38 minutes to arrive.
How many?
38 minutes.
38, okay. Good night.
Maybe. Absolutely crazy here. Today we are in Hanoi, Vietnam. Let's go to see the city. We are inside the market. Hello. These are all mushrooms. We are inside one of the biggest markets of Hanoi. Wow. Oh, sorry.
Mày để cái xe này tao mượn luôn nhá.
These are all mushrooms. They sell big bags of mushrooms. Maybe a fish. The squid, dry squid. I guess it's a sort of warehouse. Wholesale. No, here's a toilet. That's for women and another for men. That's Guillaume.
Hello.
Here's some spices. This is pepper, black pepper. Creams again. Nam. Oh, this is cinnamon. A lot of people around. We go to a different area now. I think they're selling. I don't know what they're selling here. Shoes. This is a shoes area. Let's go up. We are in a different area now. And here they're selling clothes. Wow, it's there's a lot of stuff here. A lot of stuff. There's one more floor to go up. There's a fountain in the middle. And look at the shoes down there. It's very chaotic inside here. Hello. Here we are in a new area again. And they're selling watches. Hello, ladies. Hello.
Không có mặt.
But they are not very smiling. Hello. Yeah, the first gate made a smile to me. Yeah, I'm just outside the main entrance. I guess I went inside from the back. So this is the main entrance of this market. Let's see the area a bit outside of the market, how it is. It's very chaotic. Yeah, a lot of beeping. Lot of people drinking coffee. This one is the traditional tuk-tuk. Wow, you don't know where to look. A bit more. Well, we're out of the market now. Actually, this is an open market. Outside the main market, we have all the small shops. We're selling a bit of everything, toys, selling phones there. There were a couple of shops selling books, and more shop on the back there. So we're selling a bit of everything. Toys here as well. More clothes. Hello, tuk-tuk. Now, hi guys, we're entering now the old quarters of Hanoi. It's an area where all the roads are specialized in their own section. Here, for example, there are tools from building tools for the house. Every road has its own business. Here you can see it's all, I don't know how you call this part, tools tools road. Here they sell you the tools and stuff for house, yes. Mechanic or something similar. Every road has its own specialty. There is a road for glasses, a road for mechanic that we just saw, a road for clothes, for toys, for food. There are a lot of handles, door handles and stuff for bathrooms here. Oh, noisy. Preparing some pipes. It looks like it's a big marketplace. Within the part that was covered, in this part is open. It's in the open space. I guess here we start to see canalization, air canalization. I guess they call it that. It's a coffee shop, that one, I guess. Hi guys, so you can see how it's all divided by section. Before it was more handle, tools for house. Here we have more, be careful of the cars here. Here you have more lattoniere. Oh, I'm guessing all this stuff, they are stuff for kitchen, for cooking. Big pot with barbecue, sinks. And the building, don't forget to look at the building. We're selling sinks. No, thank you. Voila, here we have the baguette, the famous banh mi. Can't wait to try one of those. Tables are ready. This is a tour agency. Coffee. Look at this building.